Good morning, everyone. Well, it's about 5 minutes to 8, and look at how beautiful everything looks. This is so wonderful. There's a construction site over there, but now it looks like so calm and peaceful, and some railroad tracks. And look at also the snow in the parking lot. Now these just build up on cars, and the snowblower came, or the super came with the snowblower. Somebody came with the snowblower in the parking lot, and they did. They snowblowed it. It's snowing again. I don't know what. It did stop snowing after a while. I don't know what time it started to snow again. Sometime overnight. And it's going to continue to snow until around 1 o'clock or so today. But not much of a change, really, in the condition of the parking lot. Because, let's do another close-up, actually. Because as you can see, the snow is building up again. And these cars have not moved. At least not as far as I know. It doesn't look like they moved. And it's going to be hard for them to move. I don't think the owners are going to get to move these cars again unless and until they snow blow them or shovel them. And I don't really think much work has been done. See? Now my window is kind of foggy because it was windy and sleet last night, so that's why you're looking like this. And oh, it's ice down there too. That's not just snow, that is ice. I could see it. So they have ice on crazy. You can see how the snow that's granted, these people no longer own their business, I think, or at least they're selling their business, and they have a lot of snow in their parking lot, man. They'd be fun. That'd be fun to go in their parking lot, but they can't. It's all locked up, so you can't do it. But they have a lot of snow there. Check that out. That would be great to play around in. Man, I wish I could go to the park today and play, but I can't. I got things to do. So anyway, it's not much of a change in the parking lot, and very little snow blowing, and I really don't know what they're going to do. But not much of a change. I guess they're going to wait until the snow is all over, until the afternoon. But it's really crazy. Not much of a change happened. All right, let's see what happens.